Summer heat doesn't care about excuses. It only cares whether the AC can actually hold the room. I'm HVAC Repair Guy, former nuclear power electrician, and today it's the BLACK+DECKER BD10NWES against the Soleus Air WS5-12HW-301. Right out of the gate, the build story is simple. The BLACK+DECKER BD10 NWS is a standard window unit with no U-shape, no casement setup, and no wall mount chassis. The Soleus Air WS5-12HW-301 is a saddle-style window unit built for a more secure fit and easier install in a lot of real-world windows. That saddle design can be a lifesaver when the window frame is awkward, because you're not fighting the install all day. Now, let's talk efficiency, because that's where the real money leaks out of the wall. The BLACK+DECKER BD10NWES is listed at 15.0 EER with an inverter compressor. The Soleus Air WS5-12HW-301 is listed at 13.3 EER with an inverter compressor. Both inverter compressors are better than a hard start single stage unit because they ramp and modulate instead of slamming on and off. That modulation is easier on the breaker, easier on the compressor, and usually easier on the power bill. But if you're comparing efficiency straight up, the BLACK+DECKER has the edge on the numbers. Price is where the story gets loud. The BLACK+DECKER BD10NWES is running about $359.99 at Walmart, with tracked US pricing around $389.46. The Soleus Air WS5-12HW-301 shows up around $739 to $809 depending on retailer. That means the Soleus is the premium buy, while the BLACK+DECKER is the better bang for the buck. The smart feature picture is also different. The Soleus Air brings Wi-Fi and voice control plus a modern control package homeowners expect. The BLACK+DECKER stays more basic on the connected feature side. If you want app control and voice convenience, Soleus gives you more toys. If you want lower cost and better efficiency, BLACK+DECKER is the harder working machine. Maintenance is still the same old gospel. Keep the filter clean, keep the drain path open, and don't let the coil get choked with dust. A dirty filter robs airflow, drives up noise, and makes even a good inverter unit act tired. Warranty is a dead heat. Both units have a 1-year unit warranty and a 1-year compressor warranty, so the warranty battle doesn't decide this one. My verdict, the winner is the BLACK+DECKER BD10NWES. It wins on efficiency, it uses inverter tech, and it comes in at a much better price than the Soleus Air. That makes it the smarter buy for most homeowners. The Soleus is the nicer feeling install and the smarter feature machine. But the BLACK+DECKER is the better overall value. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.